Michael, do you take Alicia, the woman whose hands you now hold, to be your wife and equal? Will you share your life openly with her and strive to love, honor, and stand beside her?
I do.
And Alicia, do you take Michael, the man whose hands you now hold, to be your husband and equal? Will you share your life openly with him and strive to love, honor, and stand beside him?
I do. I do that all the time when I'm getting ready to move out of this spot.
Okay. Salud.
Marriage requires love, a word we often use with vagueness and sentimentality. So what do we mean by love? When we love, we see things other people do not see. One who loves us gives us a unique gift, a piece of ourselves, a piece that only they could give us. Inasmuch as you have consented together in this ceremony to seal your vows in the presence of this company, and by giving rings, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations. You may kiss.